So, are you someone who dreams of working in investment banking, portfolio management or financial analysis? And आपको भी अपना career graph बहुत अच्छा करना है and आपको भी top companies में काम करना है with a good salary package, then this video is just for you. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will break everything about the CFA course in 2026, including its eligibility, fees, duration, salary, coaching, everything. So without any further ado, let's start this video. So the first question is, what is CFA? CFA stands for Chartered Financial Analyst, globally recognized professional qualification जो CFA Institute USA करवाती है. It is considered one of the most toughest but respected course in the finance industry. This program mainly focuses on portfolio management, investment banking, equity research. If you want to build a serious career in finance, CFA course is best for you. So the next question is, what is the eligibility criteria? So for CFA course, the eligibility criteria is या तो आपकी graduation degree complete होनी चाहिए या फिर आपकी 23 months graduation में complete होने चाहिए जब आपकी exam जब आप एग्जाम के लिए रजिस्टर कर रहे हो. सो दिस इज एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. एंड आपके पास या तो प्रोफेशनल वर्क एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर CFA is like it is not the eligibility criteria, but it is a necessary thing, which is a passport. You should have a valid passport. So this is the eligibility criteria for CFA. And also a plus point that there is no stream restriction for CFA. You can be of humanities background, science background, commerce background, and you still can appear for the CFA exam. आपको even science background student also appear for CFA. So there is no stream restriction. So the third question is, what is the CFA course structure? So the CFA course structure is divided into 3 levels: level 1, level 2 and level 3. So in level 1, there is going to be everything basic. They mainly focuses on the basic concept. For level 2, they focuses on valuation, analysis, and for level 3, they mainly focuses on portfolio management and wealth management. So this is how the levels are divided. So the syllabus for level 1 and level 2 are basically same. The topic are everything is same, like ethics, portfolio management, equity. The topic name are same. आपको सेम तरह का ही सिलेबस मिलेगा लेवल 1 एंड लेवल 2 के लिए, बट आपको सिलेबस डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. लेवल 1 इज ओनली अबाउट बेसिक, बट लेवल 2 इज ड्रास्टिकली चेंज हो जाता है. आपको एनालिसिस पे मेनली फोकस होता है या फिर वैल्यूएशन पे होता है. सो दिस इज हाउ द syllabus changes. So for each level 300 to 400 hours of study is necessary. And जो attempt होते हैं वो होते हैं mainly February, May, August and November. इन 4 महीनों में attempt होते हैं level 1, level 2 and level 3 के. So the fourth question is, what is the duration of the CFA course? Guys, CFA course का duration for everyone, it really depends on the person who is giving the exam. Like it changes. Mainly 2.5 years to 3 years में पूरा CFA course complete कर लेता है. No time, there is no time limit. It mainly depend upon कि आप कितना time ले रहे हो एक exam के लिए. So yes, there are many candidate who complete the CFA course in 2.5 years. So yes, it mainly depend upon you. Go in your own pace कि आपको कब तक पूरा CFA course खत्म करना है. So it mainly it all depends upon you. So guys, fifth is coaching. So guys, if you're serious about preparing for CFA exam and you want proper guidance about CFA exam, let me tell you about Zell Education. It is one of the India's leading institute for CFA coaching. So Zell is basically known for the global finance and accounting courses, and they have trained thousands of students who are now working at the top firms. So they basically offer flexible training options, like you can take weekend classes, you can take weekday classes, or even self-paced batches like live recorded. So you can plan accordingly how you guys want to study. So this is the best thing I think that they offer. And the best part is you will be learning directly from the CFA charter holder and the industry professional. So if you are a Zell student, what are the pros you will get? You will be getting live lectures, you will be getting mock tests, you will be getting recorded study material, you will be getting one-on-one feedback, and the best part is you will be getting placement assistance with the top companies, including the Best Four. And let me tell you about the immersion experience program, like where students basically travel to places like Goa, Kochi, Jaipur for 5 days, and they will interact with industry professionals, and they will be learning with them, and they will be networking with them, the faculty and the industry leaders. Like This sounds so amazing. So I think this is the best part. And here's the highlight that Zell student have secured placement up to 18 LPA. Like with the right mentorship, I think so CFA can be a game changer. So if you want more details or if you want to enroll in Zell, there is a link in description. You can fill it out and you will be getting a free counseling session from them. Guys, please try them. Just check the description and fill out the form and you will be getting a call from them and it will be a free counseling session. Like आज के ज़माने में free counseling is very, very difficult to find, but they will be giving you a free counseling session for your career, for everything. So a call from them and just thank me later. So the next question is, what is the fee structure for CFA? Like the biggest question of CFA. So guys, I wanted to tell you that for 2026, CFA ने अपने fee structure में changes लाए हैं and there are major changes in the 2026 fee structure. Now, पहले ऐसा होता था कि there is a registration fees of $350 and exam fees होती थी $990 की. But for 2026, CFA ने registration fees एकदम ही हटा दी है and there will be only exam fees जो थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई है, but अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ exam fees होगी, आपको registration fees नहीं देनी. Like let me tell you what is the fee structure. And one thing also, CFA fee structure दो तरीके से होते हैं. One is early bird and second is standard. So this is how early bird के लिए आपको फीस थोड़ी कम देनी होती है and for standard आपको थोड़ी फीस ज्यादा होती है. So if like many student like उनका छूट जाता है या फिर नहीं early bird में भर पाते तो they can fill the registration for standard. So this is how the fees work. I will be putting the graphs here, like what is the level 1, level 2, level 3 fees for a better understanding. The next question is, what is CFA salary in India? Many of you have asked me this question, what is the CFA salary and is there any placement for CFA? So let me just tell you the data that I have seen. मुझे नहीं पता कि सच कितना है, बट दिस इज द डेटा दैट आई हैव सीन. सो जस्ट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग CFA आपका बेसिकली सारा डिपेंड करता है कि आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस कितना है, आपने कितना जॉब एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक आपका जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या है, आपने क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस लिया है, इस पे भी चीजें डिपेंड करती हैं. So if like a fresher, if you are a fresher and you have just completed CFA level 1 and 2, आपका salary package कुछ 6 to 10 LPA पड़ेगा. If you are a fresher and आपके पास level 2 तक है, and if you are a CFA charter holder, like you have completed all the CFA level 3, then आपका LPA कुछ पड़ेगा 12 to 40, 12 to 15 LPA के आसपास, और even more, like 12 to 15 LPA और ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है depending upon your what is your job profile. So this is how it works. Like सिर्फ CFA ही मैटर नहीं करता, आपका जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या है, आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, वो भी मैटर करता है for job and for securing a good package. The next question is, what is the scope and career opportunities? So जब आप CFA कर लेते हो, बहुत सारे फाइनेंस में ही आपके लिए डोमेन खुल जाते हैं, लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, इक्विटी रिसर्च, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क एनालिसिस. एंड नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, आपको इंडिया के बाहर भी जॉब मिल सकती है. लाइक CFA के बाद आपको इंडिया के बाहर ज्यादा अच्छी पैकेज से जॉब मिल सकती है. सो the last question is CFA still worth it in 2026? Absolutely yes, like it is a good reputed course in finance. So if you are passionate about finance and if you want to make your career in investment banking or portfolio management, so it is a good course for you if you want to make your career in finance. So I think it is still worth it in 2026. Definitely worth it, definitely. So this is the whole video. This is the complete overview of CFA 2026. From eligibility to the best coaching, everything is covered in this video. But अगर आपके still कुछ भी questions left हैं, please comment down and I will make sure कि मैं आपके सारे doubts solve कर. So if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. Guys, please don't forget to book your free counseling session with Cell Education. It will be definitely helpful. Like आपको पता चलेगा what more options is available for you in finance career. So please book your session with Zell Education and thank me later, guys. I know you will love it. So yes, guys, that's it for today's video. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए bye bye, guys.